ambition. Believe na my dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, I just me ambition. Ambition, keep me pon the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition, yo. Hustle every day, me no waste time.
Hey guys, what's up? Morning. It is after 6. I have been up from after 4 to 5. I hope I look at this. What do you want? Look who's up, guys. I have my first bridal party of the year today in Kingston, and I have to get her ready so she can stay with my cousin while I go to work. She don't want to go, because she think we're Siamese. However, I know. So I have gotten her ready, given her a bath, fed her, and now I am. Oh, you want everybody get warm water for bed? She live nice life, you see? Like, I'm glad I know say I live nice life. I have been wearing.
Put me down.
Oh, sorry. So these locks freshly installed. These are the mini Nubian locks. Like, they're super duper small. I think my lock count is 120. So I have like 120 locks on my head right now. The label is all rubbed off, but this is ginseng oil. And I like it because it's a really light oil, but it still gets the job done. And I hate having to wipe oils on my scalp. It's like one of the most tiring, annoying experiences ever. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. Up close, really small parts. And I love it. So I need to go finish getting ready, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. You guys? I'm stressful. Yeah, stressful. I'm stressed. I'm stressed and pressed. It fresh? It crunchy? No, you're not jamming. You leave me alone. But as I say, I like the vibes. Yeah. Tigers is a vibe. No, girl. I don't realize. What? I don't really feel myself it's fresh. When it's fresh is a vibe, man. So dry, have a moisturizer. You want to use it. Yep, put it on, but not a lot, because that can turn out to be your worst enemy. Last time I did my makeup, it was dirty. She don't need makeup. When I can't say she don't need this, but like a dollar. I need some bronzy on the eyes, because she'll have one makeup on, and then like accessories and stuff like that. Another lashes. She wants to take off the lashes. She said she's not comfortable. She don't want the lashes. And that's fine, because it's her day. She can do what she wants. Right. So camera crew is here. Everybody is getting ready. Yeah.
Just this eye doesn't irritate me.
The one there?
Yeah. The
other one feel normal? No, we will get it right, you know. We'll fix it then.
Oh yes, come Toya.
Ready? Ready for me? You don't eat and everything?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm trying to serve it. Hi, ma'am.
What size?
I can't bother with you now.
Watch it when you see a video. Watch look up.
Yes, please.
If not, I'm sure thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, ma'am. Pleasure to visit with you. Leave me a review right here for me, please.
Amazing service, you know, wonderful customer service. She make me feel nice in myself and so. She add some more beauty and so. Yeah, hook up a girl. I'm really a very nice, decent young lady. Okay, that was off for camera. What you have for you? Top tier. I do recommend.
5 stars on Yelp. What's a description?
No, I'm going to just strip off of this camera.
What?
No, it's in the bag.
I know.
Relax. What is
What I am?
What's wrong with you?
Hey, surface. Surface, yeah.
Let the bottom of him come first.
Look, what camera there now?
Other things about for the bedroom. Come. Looking nice, ain't it?
No, lady. But you know, you just see your face. You see your face. Manda. Hi. My name is Manda, and I like long walks. Y'all look really good.
Thanks, girl. You did that.
Where
I mean, we're looking at from appearance, but you know?
you know, yeah, cause that play a very vital role in a maze.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. To keep up with me, follow me on all my socials at NaturallyMsToya. That's Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and now TikTok. Don't forget, drop your girl a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful and be safe. Bye!